quick video. I pulled the cable out of the back of my Xbox One Kinect, and if my phone will focus, that is the jack. Now, you can see on each side of the jack there's an extra pin. There's actually a third one up top there. Now, on the sides of the actual cable, if my phone will focus, there's a pin, and there's a pin. On a standard USB cable, there are no pins. There's only 2 up top. There's 3 on the Xbox One Kinect. So, in order to DIY your own cable, your own converter for the S or the X, you're going to need to tap those 2 pins somehow. And honestly, you technically could probably find a way to punch a hole through this grounding shield and get a spring or something in there, like a little pogo pin, and get your data pushed or your power pushed through that way. Or slip a little thin gauge wire. This is 12 volt down the sides. I have not pinned it out yet because I can't find my multimeter. But hopefully this gets someone going in the right direction for how to do this. These little clips on the bottom, that's just grounding, so that's no good.